Hi guys, I'm celebrity and editorial makeup artist Katie Jane Hughes, and I'm going to show you how to create this editorial graphic eye using the Bounce Blur collection from bareMinerals. So I'm going to start by building the look with these deeper tones right here. This is the Bounce Blur Palette in Dusk. I'm just going to take my brush and start etching out a shape that comes from the outside of the eye toward the tail of the brow. Then I'm going to use the point of this brush and bring it right back in. I'm trying to create kind of some edges with it right now. The cool thing about this palette is that the color lays down really gradually, so you can really be in control of the consistency, the depth, the placement. And of course, like as always with bareMinerals, it's clean and cruelty-free. So I'm going to take the angled definer and just literally use it as a tool to clean up. So I'm going to take Evening Star from this palette, and I'm just going to press it right on the center to really pop that part of the eye. This has like a soft pearl kind of color to it. This is the blender, one of my favorites. I'm going to take Crimson Sunset, and I'm just going to pop a little bit on the inner corner just by dabbing it and then starting to swirl it into that inner corner. For me, I love an inner corner that's a bit darker than expected. It just adds this element of cool. So I'm going to use this color, which is called Sepia Sky, just here to add transition to the smoky wing. So I'm using the Shade and Diffuse Eye to touch up my concealer around the eye and the mouth. This is the Tan Warm 09 in the Bare Pro Concealer. I really love this formula. It literally would work for any skin texture and type. So then with the point of this brush, I can literally just skim it up and under that shape that I created to sharpen it even more. I'm actually gonna cocktail two mascaras. I'm gonna use Love Every Lash first with Lashtopia on top. This one will really get into the roots of the lashes for me, which I want. Almost stamp it in. And then Lashtopia for that fluffy texture that I want to create because of this diffused eye. I'm going to use the Bounce Blur blush in Blurred Buff with the Seamless Shaping and Finishing brush to create a bit of a contoury effect with the blush. So I'm starting at the forehead, taking it along the hairline. It's impossible to get this blush to go on wrong. It literally does all the work for you because it builds so slowly like the eyeshadow does. This would actually work really well as almost like a soft bronze. For other skin tones, it would act as like a really beautiful nude blush. So for lips, I'm gonna use the Gen Nude Lip Liner in Freestyle. I'm creating like a natural shadowy contour just by leaving a little bit of the natural color of her lip just here, completely free of product. I'm going to do a touch of the Bare Pro Longwear lipstick in Peony just in the center of the mouth, and then go back in with my lip liner to just keep the balance there. That's it. And that's the graphic eye using the Bounce Blur collection by bareMinerals.